Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and today we're going to look at an unboxing. I got the Unified Dream Machine Special Edition. Now, this edition is just like the Dream Machine Pro, but you have some other benefits, and hopefully you can kind of see that. It's the same processor. I believe, it's same 1.7 gigahertz. It's got a dual WAN, which instead of the 1 gigabit and 10 gigabit on the UDM-Pro, it has the 2.5 and the 10 gigabit SFP on here. So a little bit of improvement there. It also has 8 gigabit RJ45 ports for the LAN, and 6 of those are AF, and 2 of them are PoE AF, and 2 of them are PoE Plus, which is 802.11 AT. So you do get that benefit. Now, one of the reasons why I picked this up is that my brother was looking for a better network, and so he's going to get my old UDM-Pro, and I'm getting this one. So that is the story behind why I'm upgrading. It also has one 10 gig LAN too that we'll take a look at, but we'll actually just dive in and see what is in the box. So you can see what's in there, and we can slide it out. Ubiquiti does a pretty good job packing this. As you can see, we have the box of stuff. So you have a cord, a nice kind of like a nylon wrapped outside. It'll plug in nicely there. You have a little bit of your instructions here, your hardware, and your hardware comes with rack stuff, hard drive items as well, so you can mount, put a hard drive or SSD in, and rubber feet. So there's that. And, well, I guess there was also hardware in to mount your, that's all that's in here, to mount to your rack. So I'll be using these. So there's 8 screws in there to mount to the rack as well. So looks like a little defect there. A little extra paint or something. Yeah, a little extra paint on there, so hopefully that won't be a big deal. No, it shouldn't. So, because it goes on like this and then you go there. So let's actually take, I wonder if the other one has quality control issues. Let's see here. Nope, that one's fine. So just one had extra paint on it. That's garbage. So now let's see here. I will be interested to know how this operates with just using my backup. So let's see here. We have, we'll start with the back here. You have your air vents there. You have, this is your backup power that you can go with Ubiquiti, and then on here the power port will come in, and it actually locks in, and to unlock you can go, or to unlock you go like that, pull it out, and then you can lock it, which is a nice feature because a lot of network equipment does lock. You have, you know, here's your side. Bottom looks like it normally should. Other side looks normal, and then you have your front. So the 2.5 gig NIC here, and then you have your 10 gigs SFPs here, and then you have your 8 PoE, and then you have your hard drive bay, and then your little screen. So let's see. There we go. So So you take that apart, and I'll have to transfer my hard drive over here, but I believe it's the same. It looks very close to the same tray, maybe slightly different color than the old tray. And then let's do this. And then it says the UDM-Pro SE there. And that's about it for this unboxing. I'm going to take a look and get it set up, and then upgrade this device from my current UDM-Pro and just see how it all operates. I don't expect really any difference in it. I do have gig internet, so I don't expect any changes there. Now it's gig cable, so I have 940 megabits down supposedly, and then 40 up, so it's, you know, I'd like faster uploads, but it's still not there yet. But we'll see how this operates, and compare it to the UDM. I'll do kind of like a little review on it, maybe down the road here, and see how it operates. So thanks for watching. Grab a low. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I know I'm still working on my Nano HD versus the performance of the U6 Pros, so that should be coming out soon. I don't have the U6 LRs with it yet. I'll probably do that in a separate video, the U6 LRs in the garage, and I haven't got to it yet. So, and the Nanos are going to my brother, so that was a little bit more pressing. Hey, let's get the Nanos out so he can use those, and we can see the comparison. And some of the data looks kind of interesting. So I'll leave it at that. But until next time, I want to thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for taking time to help support Grow Everlone and helping this channel grow. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.